Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today we've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This package was sent by Urban EDC Supply, and it's got something pretty interesting in there, and I will be able to link it for you guys, but I'm forgetting the name of it, so we're going to have to get into this package to take a look. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, I'm pretty excited about this. So they reached out and said, hey, we're doing this. Is this a design you would be interested in? And I said, yes, absolutely. It would absolutely be something that I am interested in. So let me take a look here. All right, yes. Yeah, check out, here we go. Check out Urban EDC Supply. Of course, all of their website listed down below, but you can check them out on all of these platforms here. Let's go ahead and get in to this one right here. I believe this is an exclusive. And, oh yes, I wasn't sure which one you guys were sending me, and I looked at that on the website and thought, yeah, I'm a big fan of that. A lot. Hang on, I'm doing my... Sometimes it's hard to talk while I'm doing my usual, like, check over. I'm pretty pleased with this. Oh, God, that's good. Okay, so, yeah, so this is the F5.5, the Urban EDC F5.5. Here, I'll let you take a look at that. So these will be available, as far as I understand, for pre-order. Right off the bat, I can tell you, and the reason I said yes to this one, because I'll tell you guys, there was a model that, they had, and I thought, I'm not really interested in that one. Which is the case. That's when I talk with lots of different retailers and makers, right? I have to be interested in it. If I'm not interested in it, then it's not gonna, it'll be boring. It won't be fun for me, it won't be fun for you. This, he said, would you like to take a look? And I said, yeah, definitely. And I saw the different configurations, and I couldn't remember if I had requested this one or not. But the other day when I went back to look to remind myself, I saw this configuration and I thought, that is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, please let that be the one that I asked for. So we have an M390 blade. We obviously have titanium scales. And here's what I love about this, right? Obviously, we have a cool texture pattern in here. Look at this, the little holes. That's cool. But look how they mill it, right? To basically highlight the border of the handle scales here. And then they chamfer it all the way around to give it this really... This is the kind of stuff that I like, right? Because if you could imagine, if they had just done just plain titanium, you would have the chamfering and then this flat area right here. But all of this together, and they go around the screws, right? Which are big T8 screws. Oh boy, there's a lot of really, there's a lot of very preferable things here. So yeah, and then, I think something that's really cool is that it is a liner lock, which is something I've been talking about a lot lately. I don't know if that's titanium or steel. Hang on. Is it? Boy, I think that's a titanium liner lock. That is really cool. Man, I like this. Let's go ahead and measure and weigh. This is not a review, guys. First impressions. I'm just really excited because it... You know why? It's because it's kind of like a little mini sheep's foot shaman, kind of, but instead of a compression lock, it's a liner lock, and it's full titanium. It's got that kind of, that look there. So we're coming in, look at this. We're coming in at about 7 inches. Oh boy, and it's a sub 3-inch blade, which is going to make a lot of people happy. That's really nice. That's great. What does it weigh? Let's find out. Man, I'm pumped about this one. This was a left fielder because I had no idea what this was. All right, 4.37 ounces. It's titanium, right? So it's going to be heavier than what some people like. It's kind of got the tanky aesthetic, but without the tanky dimensions, right? So blade stock thickness looks to be, let's put it up against the Para 3. Get that out of the way. I think it's probably pretty similar to the Para 3. 140 thousandths or so. Boy, it's nice and smooth. Nice and smooth. Great detent. Very easy to use that hole there. And because this is not a frame lock, you can put your fingers wherever you want when you're opening. It doesn't matter, right? So if you want to do the reverse flick, you want to do the thumb flick like that, it's made much easier, right? Where's the... Yeah, look at that fall point. We need to come up with a word for that. Basically, when you go to disengage the lock, the position that the blade is in when it falls to meet your thumb. Is there a term for that? I just said fall point, or the contact point after disengagement of the liner, obviously. Maybe we need to come up with an acronym or something. Man, that is cool. Is the pocket clip titanium? Yeah, it appears to be. Backspacer as well. Oh boy. Urban EDC Supply did a good job with this. This is very good looking. Man, look at that blade. It does get pretty thin. Let's look at the taper, right? Not going to be, not an open L laser beam, but we do taper pretty well. You can see how high that flat is, how tall the blade is. The satin finish looks nice on this. You guys know my take on satin finishes. I always prefer tumbled. Had that blade been tumbled, I don't know. I don't know if this would have been a coherent unboxing had they done a tumbled finish on that. But yeah, as like my personal checklist is really just, it's full of green check marks right now in my head. This is very good. Oh boy, I like this a lot. Urban EDC Supply. This is just wonderful. So, I think I've done enough gushing here. Like I said, the information for this guy will be down in the description where you guys can, I believe it's pre-order right now. I think that's what it said. So you can go check that out if you want to. For a couple of weeks, you'll have a full comprehensive review of this guy. So yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.